this is the second death. And this is talking about that final judgment where death and hell is not a burning lake. No, hell is the grave. That's all it is. Everyone who dies basically is put in a grave, put in hell. That's what hell is. I know it's been retranslated in your mind by religious people, but English and the Greek and the Hebrew, hell is the grave. Sheol, Gehenna, Gehennom, that's actually a place of fire and burning, but Sheol and Hades, that is the grave. And it is only men who have redefined it to put a different picture in your mind. Death and hell will be cast into the lake of fire, okay? So how would you cast a lake of fire into the lake of fire? You don't. You cast the grave into the lake of fire and extinguish, and forever death and hell have passed away. There's going to be a new heaven and a new earth, and only the righteous will inherit that. Okay? Now we're going to go to chapter 21. Just turn the page, 21, verse 8. But the fearful, unbelieving, abominable, murderers, whoremongers, sorcerers, idolaters, and all liars shall have their part in the lake of fire, which burns with fire and brimstone, which is the second death. Again, the topic is the second death. If you have ears to hear, you overcome, and you will be raised and rewarded. The second death will have no bearing on you. There will be others who are cast into the lake of fire. That's the second death. Yeshua will say to many who think that they are born again, spirit-filled, demon-casting out, miracle-doing people are going to be told to depart from me, I never knew you. That is one of the scariest things that Yeshua says, because he's not talking to Buddhists and Muslims and Hare Krishnas at the airport. He's talking to those who think that they are walking by the Spirit. That's some scary stuff. He says, you workers of anomia, Greek, without nomia, nomos is Torah. You are outside of the instructions. You made up your own religious system. You decided you're going to do your own thing, and you are, I don't know you, you don't know me. No, I'm not an 8-pound, 6-ounce baby Jesus. Now get out of here. I don't want to see you again. Into the lake of fire. Hard words from the Messiah. But somebody's got to tell you these things. Somebody's got to go to hell. And, I don't want you to go, really. I tell people to do that sometimes, but, I really don't want them to go. I'm trying to get them to wake up and realize it's real.